Exercise 3. Choose your answer, then listen and choose.
Welcome, everybody. Let's start with our trivia show. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Andres, contestant number 1, and Sophie, contestant number 2. You already know the rules, so let's start right away. The first section will be about geography. So, question number 1. Which planet is closer to the Sun? A. Jupiter, B. Neptune, C. Venus. All right. And the turn goes to contestant number 1.
The answer is Venus.
Yes, that's correct. Its distance from the Sun is about 108 million kilometers. Very well. Now let's go on. Question number 2. Which country is the largest? A. Canada, B. Russia, C. Brazil. This is great. Again, the turn goes to contestant number 1.
The answer is Canada.
Do you know the answer? Okay, let's listen to contestant number 2.
Yes, it's Russia. It is 17,075,400 square kilometers.
And that is correct. Okay, so we are even. One question for contestant number 1 and one for contestant number 2. Let's go ahead. Now, question number 3. Which ocean is the deepest? A. Atlantic, B. Arctic, C. Pacific. Okay, again, contestant number 1, it is your turn.
The answer is the Pacific Ocean. Its deepest point, the Mariana Trench, is about 11,000 meters deep.
That is absolutely correct. It is the Pacific Ocean, and its deepest point is 11,000 meters deep and is called the Mariana Trench. All right, let's continue with question number 4. Which is the highest mountain? A. Everest, B. Aconcagua, C. The Snowy Mountains. Very well. Now you go, contestant number 2.
The answer is the Everest.
Absolutely right. Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. It is about 8,848 meters above sea level. This is really exciting. We are even again. 2 questions for contestant number 1 and 2 for contestant number 2. And let's move to our second section. Now we are going to ask about people and inventions. Question number 5. Who invented the printing press? A. Thomas Edison, B. Johannes Gutenberg, C. Louis Braille. Okay, go ahead, contestant number 2.
I think it was Thomas Alva Edison. Yes, it was Thomas Alva Edison.
Well, I'm so sorry, but the turn goes to contestant number 1.
It was Louis Braille. Yes, it was Braille.
Well, sorry for you too, but the answer is Johannes Gutenberg. The printing press was invented around the year 1440 by Johannes Gutenberg. Okay, let's go on. Now with question number 6. Who invented the motor car? A. Carl Benz, B. Thomas Edison, C. Graham Bell.
The answer is Carl Benz. He received the patent for the first gasoline-powered car in 1885.
Yes, that is totally right. Now contestant number 2 has 3 points. This is really exciting. Let's continue. Question number 7. Who invented the lighting system? A. Thomas Edison, B. Graham Bell, C. Tim Berners-Lee. Again, it's your turn, contestant number 2.
The answer is Thomas Edison. It was in the year 1880 that he co-founded the enterprise General Electric. And thanks to it, we can do this program today.
Yes, that is correct. Now we are 4-2. Well, the last question, even though it is clear that the winner is contestant number 2. Okay, here it goes. Who invented the World Wide Web? A. Tim Berners-Lee, B. Joseph Marie Jacquard, C. Steve Jobs. Okay, let's see. Contestant number 2 again. Your turn.
The answer is Tim Berners-Lee. In the year 1991,